This is how to use the motion bridge bot. Okay, it's very easy to use. The first thing you need to do when you get to the bot is click on start bot right there, and it will prompt you to join the payout channel. Okay, for most of you that don't trust the bot, so this is not just an AI bot, it is powered by humans also. Okay, so you join the Telegram channel. Okay, after you join Telegram channel, just start the bot by saying hello. Okay, so it prompts you to start using the menu option right here. So if you want to sell your PayPal funds, you can click on send PayPal. If you want to sell your gift card, click on sell gift card. If you want to check the current rate, you can tap on it and you'll see all the current rates. Okay, before you make any payment. Okay, if you want to charge the support for any issues, you can charge the support right here. Okay, so um after doing that, let's assume you want to send money to PayPal. Before you use the bot, make sure you test it first and see if it responds. Okay, before you send any money to it. Okay, tap on send to PayPal. This is tremendous, which can come from survey. If you are sending for your PayPal, you can use PayPal F&F. If you are sending goods and services, tap on PayPal goods and services. Okay, so let's assume you are sending from tremendous. Now you can either choose from USD or GBP. Okay, so let's choose USD right there. Then how much do you want to trade? You can choose $40 right there based on the amount you want to trade. Okay, so right here it will tell you the amount and where you should send it to. This is the email you should send it to. Okay, all you just need to do is to tap on it. You have copied it. All right, after sending the money to the email, but before you do that, don't send the money to the email. Make sure you upload a picture to it to see if it responds. Okay, so testing it out, I've just uploaded an image to it. As you can see, most of some people normally experience something like is not able to respond to the image. Okay, so if you experience that, just message the support. Okay, so right here, just put in your 10-digit account number right here. Okay, if you are from other countries, you can send the admin message to get your payment to send to your account. Okay, so yeah, then you choose your bank. Let's assume I'm using money points. Automatically it will bring out your name. Then you have to confirm that that's your name. Okay, so from there the admin will verify and send your payment to you. You receive a confirmation message like this. Okay, this is the confirmation message you received after the admin have confirmed and send you your payment to your account, as you can see. All right, so that's how to use the bot. If you are experiencing any default or any error, just contact support. Okay, contact support and tell them what you are facing and they will solve it for you. So we'll see you guys on the next